We got action. It's fake store. Can't get no milk. I get my iced tea. That's gone. Let's go see what the eggs is going popping for. Eggs is damn near gone. This fake storm is something else. But if it comes, it comes. Mother Nature, she is who she is. You can't predict what's going on, but people buying up everything in the market because look at the waters. Oh my goodness. This is funny. It's like the world coming to an end. What it is, literally. But Give you a clip of a few things that's going on. Yogurts.
So on my next line, just like okay, all right. Yeah, just call me.
Butter. It's like people don't have food in their house.